In this video, I'm going to show you how to add texture in Affinity Designer. Now, the first thing you'll need is, of course, an image, a logo, or whatever you want to add some texture to. So I have my YouTube channel logo over here, and I'm going to drag on some texture. Now, you can just basically import that image and put it over like this, and this is going to work the best with grayscale textures, okay? So this means like these textures, which are black and white, so that's just going to do for me. It's going to work with others as well, but the best thing you can do is actually get a grayscale black and white texture. You could also make it like that yourself inside here, inside Affinity, and you'll be able to go ahead and use that. So just put it over your image, your logo, whatever, and then you want to right click on it here under layers. You want to scroll down and click on rasterize to mask. When you do this, you could also click and drag it onto your image like that to actually snap the mask on there. And as you can see, this is now like one, let me actually select my image. There we go. This is now one object. You can drag it around. You can do whatever you want with it. It's going to react, which is very, very cool. And of course, now this kind of looks good already. However, if you want to refine it, you want to click on the image here, on the image of your texture here under the mask, right click it and click on refine mask. In here, you'll be able to refine your selection. You'll be able to basically do whatever you want with it here. You can change it. As you can see, some of these are going to look pretty bad. Some of these are going to look good. You'll be able to change the borders. You'll be able to smoothen it out, to feather it, to ramp it, whatever you want to do. So completely up to you. Then you can go ahead and click on apply over here and see how things look. So that's how to add texture. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.